Eastleigh, guys. Woo. Guys, let me go on the other side. This is how the street looks like. I think I should walk on the other side of the road, guys. So let's, as I told you that earlier in the other video, Eastleigh is a commercial hub. A lot of businesses take place here, and it's full of Somali people. As you can see, most of people here are Somalis. So let me keep on watch, taking you around. Let's keep on walking around, guys. This is Eastleigh. I think I should go on the other side. So let's keep on walking. A lot of malls here. So guys, let me cross on the other side of the road and keep on walking, guys. Oh, traffic jam around here. It's on a weekend. It has rained. So let's keep on walking around, guys, as I show you around. Yeah. A lot of traffic jam. A lot of traffic jam around here, guys. So let's walk around. Vitu sana brother. So guys, so let's keep on walking around, guys. People are questioning, what am I doing, guys? And like, think I'm like this. Oh. I think I should get on the other side. I should get on the other side of the road. Because of traffic, you know. Imagine I'm passing through this road here, this small pavement here. So guys, let's keep on walking around. I'll show you about Eastleigh. Oh guys, don't know where to go because the place is so congested. I think I should go on the other side. I think I should go onto the other side because Sorry. Hey, naliwafuta fit sana guys. Finally, I met one of my best friends in Eastleigh.
Nice
Yeah,
to meet you again.
actually, I've been looking for you since 2 p.m. but finally,
You found me now, right?
yes, yes.
We have nothing from morning. There's no job. We just stay here. We can't get anything even to eat lunch. Life has become so much tedious, very difficult.
So today there is no work.
Yeah, how can you help us? Please, we need you to remove us from this place and give us a nice job.
Ni sawa, haina shida. Guys, you have had them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Meet you again.
So guys, if you come to Eastleigh, make sure you support them. They are good people. They are nice guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.